Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 26th of March. These are the charts of the day. Well, we had a lot of stocks popping today. The market didn't do great, and matter of fact, sold up pretty sharply at the end of the day. It went from green to red. So we're definitely a turn down Tuesday, net. But there's a lot of stocks that are looking good to me. Let's take a look at a few of them. AMTX, which popped last week, pulled back and spiked back up today. So today's gain was about 6%. Mine wasn't big, but this looks to me like a stock that exploded from 275 in 3.5 days to 7, and now it's pulled back and it's wedging. Your next target, 8 and 9. BE, well, coming through a declining tops line and up through the moving averages and closing above that near resistance. Next target might be 12.5, 13 if it follows through. Mine was pretty good today at 11 million. CGC, after yesterday's pullback from resistance, ripped from a low of 570, get up to 8.25. We're backing off to 740. It's still up $1.20, 55 million trading up nearly 20%. Watch this one if it gets through here. I think the next target has to be around 10, 10.5. Carvana, rising channel, continuing to press higher. Highest level in a couple of years. Next target might be, and this could be a big one, 100. CZOO, after a long downtrend, look at the pop 2-day flag and an explosive move today, taking it from 375 to 781. Trading 735 after hours, up 347, an 89% gain. That's a clean breakout. I would expect to see the stock make additional strides, maybe 10 to 13 range. Keep an eye on this one, very volatile, very thin. DraftKings popped out last week, pulled back today, coming on again. My targets are 53 and 60. Excuse me. Dnut with a big day today, announcing a major deal with McDonald. The stock exploded. We had a beautiful day trade on it. Take a look. Pop, pulled back, and broke out right about there, and they just kept going. It was a beautiful day for it. Up a whopping 571, excuse me, trading at 18 after hours and running some more. What a trade for that one. My target now, 19.5 and 22. DTSS popped early, pulled back, but take a look. It broke the wedge of a coil. The volume picked up a little bit. This may be the beginning of a move. Keep an eye on it tomorrow. Got to get over 8.75. Targets are then 9.75, 12, and 13. It's thin enough where it can do that pretty quickly, like it did there. ELEV also popping today. This is like 7 or 8 days in a row edging higher. Once you get above 535, 540, I'm looking for 6 and 7. KOD popped out across a multi-week resistance and gained about 98 cents, 16%. 2.2 million. Channel top target is 9. LUNR, snapping back from the recent pullback post moon landing. You can see now resistance and gap around 765. You get through that and look at the 10 again. MESO exploded and ran hard, up 170 or 77%. 73 million share trade. That's breakout stuff. Now looking for mid-channel target around 5. ML swing just doing great. This is a new multi-year high at 79.26. Finished back off at 74 and change. So I got a little late sell-off after hours as well. But I still think this is a buy at every pullback, and it targets 6 figures. Excuse me, 3 figures, 100. NVEI breaking out, coiling, and then popping today to add on another 206 or 7%. Good volume, good OBV, looking at for 37.8. RUM, pop flag, pop coil, and breakout. Now looking for a 10 or better. SMTC in the semiconductor group broke key resistance today by popping 316 or 14%. Now it looks like it's headed up towards the 27 range. SPRY popped out of a 4-week flag, spiked $1.18 at 13%. Bond picked up to the best all year, 2.4 million. It's thin. This could take off and be $12 pretty quickly. Tandem broke out, pulled back, and then popped again today. Today's gain 360 or 12% on 2.7 million. Looking like this has designs on the next target around 36. TOST, the software group, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave maybe beginning. Your target's at 27 and 30. VERI has been phenomenal for 2 weeks now. We've gone from 165 to 6 and 638 today. Fabulous rising channel. Upside says maybe 8. And VKTX exploded after coiling for a few weeks post that big gap breakaway day. Now moving back up again, popping from 63 to 89, finishing around, trading around 81 after hours. Still looks very good for a move. If it gets through 100, we can see 120.30. Should be interesting. That's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening. Bye now.